I'm glad you are here after the very theoretical lesson last time. Great. Is your camera set to the best video settings? I guess so. Please let me know in the comments what camera you are using and what settings. And if you're using an app, let me know what app. Let's go back to a previous lesson. How to hold the camera stable. You can lean it to a wall, or you can lean it to a fence, or to a tree, or hold it to a pole. Sometimes life is easy and also its solutions. Another thing from a previous lesson is the shutter speed. What is the correct shutter speed in the PAL area? Blue. In the videos I gave you to watch, some people said 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. What is the correct shutter speed in the PAL area? It is 25 or 50 or 100 and so on. Why is that important? When you light a scene like here with fluorescent or with LED lights, you might get a little light bar along your image when you have the wrong settings. Maybe you noticed that already somewhere. And when it comes to TV, they really want the right settings. If you want to give your video clip to a TV station, it is possible to convert your video from 30 frames to 25 frames, but it gives you a little jittering. It's not looking nice. You don't want that. In NTSC, the right shutter speed is 30 or 60 and so on. Actually, the number is 29.97. Why? Well, I'll let you figure it out yourself. Google knows everything. Please do your research. Our topic today is also related to the camera settings. The topic is video exposure settings. Some videos which I let you watch previously already covered a little bit about these exposure related settings. That's frame rate, aperture or f-stop, and ISO. Now we want to go deeper into these manual camera settings. If you have a mirrorless camera like this or a DSLR, it's very easy to change to manual camera settings. So you very easy can change aperture or f-stop, the shutter speed and the ISO. With a smartphone, again the question rises, what is the best app? What app allows you to change manually the shutter speed and all these settings? One of the best apps is Filmic Pro, but it costs money. Fuji or Fuji Camera 2 is already a good app in the limited edition and free, and there you can adjust things manually. The app Cinema FV5 can lock some settings. Also on the Open Camera app, you can lock different settings, which is also kind of manual. But also check the sound of the app and how good that is, not only the image and the setup. And also it depends on your mobile phone, because on my phone, Filmic Pro is not running, unfortunately. As always, in the description of this video, you find your 5 links to learn more about these camera settings. Also, your task for this lesson is mentioned in the description. Feel free to comment, like and share this video. And have fun with the task and see you later. So go for 25p or 50p in the PAL area and in the SICAM area. See you later. Bye.